Hey guys, I'm Nupur. Welcome back to my channel where creativity meets purpose. Today I'm embarking on a unique journey transforming an old denim shirt into a fresh style statement. Imagine an old denim shirt longing for a cool update. Get ready for some magic with patches and stitches. But here is the best part. We are saying no to fast fashion, showing that a touch of creativity can make a world of difference. It's a small step towards a greener fashion planet. If you are into fashion, DIY projects, or care for the environment, this journey is for you. Let's transform this shirt and make a statement against fast fashion. Ready to dive in? Let's go! So the first step, choose your patches. You can select colorful patches that complement the denim shirt's style and your personal taste. These patches can be of different shapes and sizes. You can add a playful touch, right? Then placement planning is very important. So lay out the denim shirt and experiment with patch placement. You can visualize the final look and decide where you want each patch to go. When you have decided what patch style and sizes you want to have on your shirt, then you can use all pins or needle. Pin the patches in place on the denim shirt, and this will help you ensure the desired position before you start sewing. Use a needle and thread to stitch the patches onto the denim shirt. You can use a simple running stitch, back stitch, or any stitch of your choice. I'm securing my patches here with hemming stitch. Right, I'm doing invisible hemming. There are two types of hemming, visible hemming and invisible hemming. If you want me to show you how to do it, please write in the comment section. I'll surely make a video on hemming. And make sure the patches are securely attached. Have you ever thought about all the clothes we wear and then throw away? It's actually a big problem in the fashion world. Every year, a huge 92 million tons of discarded clothing piles up all around the world, right? This is not good for our planet. It creates pollution and harms the environment. But guess what? Upcycling is really a cool solution. Means taking the old clothes and making them into something new and awesome. By doing this, we can reduce the big pile of unwanted clothes and make fashion kinder to our planet. In line with this vision, I am embarking on a small yet impactful journey, hopeful that my efforts will contribute to positive change. With all the patches now neatly stitched in place, it's time to elevate them further by infusing a delicate touch of embroidery. Thread a needle with embroidery floss or thread of your chosen color, not the end. Insert the needle back down through the fabric a short distance away from the starting point. Bring the needle up again a short distance ahead and creating evenly spaced stitches. When you reach the end of your embroidery line, secure the thread on the back side by making a small knot and trim the excess thread. You can experiment with different thread colors and stitch length to achieve various effects. You can also create curved lines, shapes, or patterns using the running stitch. Remember, both patching and running stitch embroidery offer endless possibilities for creativity, so feel free to let your imagination run wild and create unique and personalized designs that reflect your style. I have taken this running stitch to the next level by adding charming French knots. With each stitch, I create a small elegant knot that adds texture and depth to the design. This combination enhances the beauty of my denim shirt, as you can see, giving it a unique and artistic flair that's truly one of a kind. And there you have it, a stunning transformation before your eyes, from old denim to fashion art, proving that creativity works wonders. Remember, each upcycle is a step towards a better environment. Whether you try upcycling or admire sustainable fashion, I hope this journey sparks your imagination. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's keep upcycling, creating, and making our world stylish and eco-friendly. Stay creative, stay kind, stay fabulous. Thank you so much.